Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today in this video I am going to discuss about how to convert a cooking idea into a business. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So if you have any cooking idea and you want to convert your cooking idea into a business, but you do not have enough money in your hand, so in that case you can start your cooking business from your own home, and you can give catering services to offices, to events, to parties, etc. In that case, you can promote your business through social media platform, and you can also collaborate with event organizers. Even you can also start mobile food business or street food business, but if you have enough money, then you can start restaurant business and you can deliver your food through food delivery apps. In that case, if your business grows within a year, then you can scale up your business by hiring more people, by taking rent of big size of space or big size of kitchen. But always try to maintain hygiene of your food, and always try to give good quality of food to your customer. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.